Today we're looking at the herringbone lace rib. Looks like this. It's very nice, and I've already cast on. So looking at a multiple of 7+1, very easy 2-row repeat. And it's a very simple lace pattern. You can see here. And let's begin. Okay, so we begin on the right side of the work. Begin with a knit one. And now we're entering the asterisk with a repeat, which is a purl one, knit one, yarn over, and then we're going to purl two together. Knit one, purl one, knit one, and then we shall repeat in the brackets until the end. Okay, now we will follow the second row in this 2-row repeat, which is starting here. So let's do that. So purl one, we come to the repeat, which is knit two, yarn over, and we will purl two together, and we knit two, and we purl one, and we just repeat that across. And here I have completed a few more rows. Very happy with this one. It's very easy to do, and it gives a really nice effect if you want something that's a little bit more fancy than just normal ribbing. And yeah, if you want to download this leaflet, just follow the link and you can find that on my website for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe.